Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. I'm going to talk about EOS. A couple of you have asked me, why the heck is it pumping? Isn't EOS garbage? Well, it used to be garbage, but maybe it's not so garbage anymore. Remember, Block.one quit EOS.io quite a while ago, and now they're actually hard forking to this thing called Antelope, and that's why they're actually up so much. The market generally has not been so great the last few days, but EOS has actually been one of the best performers in the last couple of days. And essentially, EOS is switching to this thing called Antelope. The hard fork is scheduled for September 21st, so you probably want to sell before then because people buy the rumor and sell the news. But it's actually up over 28% over the past week. And over the past week, crypto has not done so well. And it's the biggest gainer among the 49 assets tracked by Messari, with a capitalization of at least $1 billion. So basically, the token of EOS Network Foundation, ENF, went up after they announced last week that Antelope will be used as the underlying protocol for EOS IO based blockchains. And remember, EOS under Dan Larimer and Block.one was not decentralized, and Larimer actually said decentralization was not actually one of the goals. But now it will be decentralized, so people are actually taking advantage of that. I do think this will be a buy the rumor, sell the news thing. So remember, the magic date is September 21st. That would sell a couple of weeks before September 21st. But there is some excitement about EOS. Maybe it can be resurrected, and maybe it can actually be something. Antelope is a community-run blockchain protocol, which will be supported by members of the ENF, which include EOS, Telos, Wax, and UX network. The hard fork, like I said, September 21st. And they're going to pursue legal action against Block.one. So a lot of interesting things happening over at EOS. So the EOS token surged on the initial news of the hard fork last week before returning to previous levels. It has risen over 40% in the last 30 days, although it remains well off its high of over $14 a year ago. I mean, EOS has kind of really fallen out of grace, partially because of what Dan Larimer said, that it wasn't really supposed to be decentralized. But now that it's switched to Antelope, and that it's actually, an Antelope is an open framework blockchain and a community-run code base, which actually uses DPoS, people might be interested in EOS again. And DPoS obviously is the same thing that Cardano runs on. So they've actually ditched EOS's original kind of protocol, and they're switching over to a more Cardano-ish protocol, because Cardano is DPoS just like EOS. So this will be very, very interesting. Maybe EOS can actually get back in the mix of things, be like one of the major blockchains, and maybe it could actually be a good pickup. But I still wouldn't pick it up, maybe after like late August, because I think like the September fork, they'll sell the news and it'll probably go down again. But then since it's now decentralized under new leadership, maybe it will have a bit of a resurrection. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.